And welcome back. To Trinidad we go, where the West Indies suffered another series defeat to India after going down by 6 wickets in the third and final one-day international match at the Queen's Park Oval today. The Indians won the three-match series 2-0 as the first encounter had ended in a no result.
The Windies, who needed to have won this game to stand a chance of levelling the series, won the toss and elected to bat. All the attention was focused on veteran opener Chris Gayle, the Windies' record run-getter in ODI cricket, who was playing possibly his last game in this format for the home team. A specially created number on the back of his jersey was reflective of the 301 ODIs he has played, and also an indicator that this was possibly his farewell appearance. Gayle went about business in his typical ruthless manner, slamming 72 of 41 deliveries, including 8 fours and 5 sixes, to share an opening stand of 115 with Evan Lewis, who added 43. Gayle celebrated his 54th ODI 50 by holding his helmet above his bat handle and gained numerous handshakes from the Indian players upon leaving the field, another hint that this was his final ODI. The exit of Gayle and Lewis left the Windies on 121 for 2 after 11.4 overs. Shimron Hetmyer and Sheho posted 50 for the third wicket before both went off successive deliveries for 25 and 24 respectively. Nicholas Pooran weighed in with 30 as the Windies posted 240 for 7 in the game, reduced to 35 overs per side after 3 hours and 15 minutes were lost to rain. Khalil Ahmed claimed 3 for 68 and Mohammad Shami 2 for 50. India were required to chase a revised Duckworth-Lewis target of 255. Jamaican all-rounder Fabian Allen was involved in the first 3 wickets to fall, having dismissed Shikhar Dhawan and Rishabh Pant for 36 and 0 respectively, in addition to the earlier run-out of Rohit Sharma for 10. However, hopes of a Windies series-levelling victory evaporated when skipper, man of the match and man of the series Virat Kohli slammed his 43rd ODI century in making an undefeated 114 of 99 deliveries, while masterminding a 4th-wicket partnership of 120 with Shreyas Iyer, who weighed in with 65. The Indians cruised home at 256 for 4 in 32.3 overs. Allen ended with 2 for 40 and Kemar Roach 1 for 53. The teams now turn their attention to the 2-match test series starting on August 22 in Antigua. Spencer Darlington, TVJ Sports.